Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chili chicken. So let's get started.
For my sauce, I've got here 1 1/4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning or you can use chicken stock powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, or you can use rice wine if you like. And you will also need 1 red capsicum, which I have cut into squares, 1 kilo of chicken breast cut into cubes, some oil for cooking, 1 large onion cut into chunks, 1 green capsicum cut into squares, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of plain flour. The first thing you need to do is get the sauce ready. Take your water, add soya sauce, chili sauce, corn flour, tomato sauce, white vinegar, garlic powder, chili powder and chicken seasoning. Mix it well using a whisk and put this aside. To marinate the chicken, take your chicken pieces, add vinegar, salt and chicken seasoning, pepper and chili powder, plain flour, corn flour, and your egg. Mix it well to combine. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it marinate for 30 minutes on the bench top. After 30 minutes, it is time to fry the chicken pieces. So take a wok or fry pan, add some oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add chicken pieces in small batches and fry it for 3 minutes on each side. Take them out, shake the excess oil off and put them in a dish. Repeat this process until you have finished frying up all the chicken pieces and put it aside. To make chili chicken, take a wok or fry pan, put it on medium heat, add cooking oil and sesame oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add ginger, garlic and chili paste. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds, stirring it frequently. Add red capsicum, green capsicum and onion. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take the sauce, give it a mix again and add it to the vegetables. Mix it well to combine and cook it for 3 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly, stirring it frequently. After 3 minutes, add the cooked chicken pieces and mix it well using 2 spoons and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My chili chicken is ready. Serve it with rice or noodles. Enjoy.
If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.